Hello friends! Welcome to SK Creative. Today we're visiting a happy farm full of animals. Let's meet them and hear what they say. Good morning, little friends. It's a brand new day on the farm, and the sun is shining bright. Look at the green grass, the cozy barn, and the happy animals waking up. This farm is a magical place where animals live, play, and work together. Are you ready to explore the farm with me? Let's go meet our animal friends. Look who's here! It's our friendly cow! She has soft brown and white spots and loves to eat fresh green grass. Cows give us milk, which helps us grow strong and healthy. Can you say moo? Let's try it together. Moo moo. Great job. What color is this cow? Do you see the spots? Let's play a guessing game. I'll make a sound, and you guess the animal. Shh, what's that sound? Let's listen. What goes ba-ba? Yes, that's a sheep. Now listen. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's right. It's the rooster. Oink, oink. Haha, that's the pig. Doesn't it sound like a squeaky toy? And guess what? Farmers work very hard to take care of them every single day. Cows give us milk. Chickens give us eggs. Can you imagine waking up early and feeding all the animals too? Goats love munching on leaves. Farming helps grow the food we eat and keeps animals happy and healthy. You're now a little farm expert. Give yourself a big round of applause. And let's not forget the farmers. They work hard every single day to take care of them. This farm is a magical place where animals live, play, and work together. Thanks for coming along on this fun farm adventure. Then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And share it with all your little friends.